Bad MC4 crimps are a major cause of solar system failures and even solar fires. In this video, I'll show you how to crimp these connectors the right way. When you buy MC4 connectors, they come in two parts, a pair of connector housings and a pair of connector pins. The crimped pins fit into the housings. The first step to a perfect MC4 crimp is using the correct crimping tool. A proper MC4 crimper has one jaw with a W pattern and the other with a flat U shape. Place the connector pin with the tabs facing the W-shaped jaw in the slot that matches the wire gauge. As you crimp, the wings of the pin fold into the wire, while the lower jaw compresses the barrel to create a tight, secure connection. Here, I'm using a female pin, which fits inside a male MC4 connector. I'm also using the Haisstronica MC4 crimper, part of a 6-in-1 crimping set. Please check out the full review video linked in the top right corner. I start by setting the pin in the crimper and holding it in place with the ratcheting mechanism. Then I strip about 1 inch of insulation from the wire. Before inserting the wire into the pin, I disassemble the connector housing and slide the end cap and compression sleeve onto the wire. Next, I insert the stripped wire into the connector pin so that the end of the pin rests exactly where the insulation ends. Then I squeeze the handles firmly to make a solid crimp. Finally, insert the crimp pin into the connector housing until it clicks into place. Then slide on the compression sleeve and tighten the end cap. And that's how you crimp MC4 connectors the right way using the right pliers. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Pliers Man for more hands-on tips, tool demos, and all things pliers. Got questions or your own crimping tips? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and keep your hands on the pliers.